the 10 best foods that could help protect your liver, the hidden superfoods your body needs. What if the food sitting in your kitchen right now could help protect one of the hardest working organs in your body? Your liver filters toxins, processes nutrients, stores energy, and performs more than 500 vital functions every single day. But here's the shocking part. Most people don't think about their liver until it starts having problems. So today, we're counting down 10 incredible foods that may help support a healthy liver. And the number one food might surprise you. Let's begin. The silent hero inside you. Before we reveal the list, let's take a quick journey inside your body. Imagine a factory that never shuts down. Day and night, it cleans your blood, breaks down nutrients, produces bile to digest fats, stores vitamins, balances your body's chemistry. That's your liver. Every bite you eat either helps this amazing organ or makes its job be a little harder. So which foods truly support liver health? Let's find out. Number 10, apples. The saying an apple a day has some truth behind it. Apples contain fiber, especially pectin, which supports healthy digestion and overall metabolic health. A healthy digestive system may reduce some of the workload on your liver. Plus, apples are naturally sweet, making them a healthier alternative to many sugary snacks. Number 9, walnuts. Tiny, but powerful. Walnuts provide healthy fats and antioxidants. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and may benefit overall metabolic health. A small handful can be a nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Number 8, garlic. Just one clove packs an impressive nutritional punch. Garlic contains sulfur-containing compounds that help activate certain liver enzymes involved in normal detoxification processes. It also adds flavor without relying on excess salt or unhealthy sauces. Number 7, avocados. Creamy, delicious, and loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocados also provide fiber and antioxidants, making them a great choice for an overall healthy eating pattern. Healthy fats can help replace less nutritious saturated fats in many meals. Number 6, green tea instead of another sugary drink? Consider a cup of green tea. It's rich in natural compounds called catechins, which have been studied for their antioxidant properties. For most people, moderate consumption of brewed green tea can be part of a healthy diet. Number 5, olive oil. Not all fats are the enemy. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and is associated with many health benefits. Using it in place of butter or highly processed oils can support a heart-healthy eating pattern, which also benefits overall metabolic health. Number 4, fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s support heart health and may help improve blood lipid levels. Experts often recommend eating fatty fish at least twice a week as part of a balanced diet. Number 3, coffee. Yes, coffee made the list. This surprises many people. Research suggests that regular coffee consumption, without excessive sugar or high-calorie additives, is associated with a lower risk of certain chronic liver diseases in many observational studies. If you already drink coffee, this may be welcome news. If you don't, there's no need to start just for liver health. Talk with your healthcare provider about what's right for you. Number 2, leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, arugula. These vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and plant compounds. They're low in calories and can easily be added to salads, smoothies, soups, or omelets. The greener your plate, the happier your body tends to be. Number 1, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. These colorful fruits are loaded with antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. They're naturally sweet, high in fiber, and make a delicious snack without added sugars. Sometimes the most powerful foods come in the smallest packages. The foods that can make your liver work harder. Now here's the twist. It's not just about what you eat. It's also about what you eat too much of. Frequently consuming large amounts of sugary drinks, highly processed foods, excess alcohol, foods high in trans fats, large portions of refined carbohydrates can increase the strain on your liver over time, especially when combined with other risk factors. Balance, not perfection, is the goal. The biggest secret. Here's something many people don't realize. No single superfood can magically clean or detox your liver. Your liver already has its own highly effective detoxification system. The best way to support it is through consistent, healthy habits. Eat a balanced diet, stay physically active, get enough sleep, maintain a healthy weight, stay hydrated, avoid smoking. Follow your healthcare provider's advice if you have liver disease or other medical conditions. Small choices, repeated every day, can have a big impact over time. Final message. Your liver has been working for you since before you were born. Every meal, every breath, every heartbeat, it never asks for recognition. It simply keeps going. And while no food can guarantee perfect liver health, the choices you make every day can help support this incredible organ for years to come. Your future health may begin with the very next meal you choose. Call to action. Which of these liver-friendly foods do you already eat regularly? And which ones surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey inside the human body, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because in our next video, we'll uncover another amazing health mystery that could change the way you think about your body forever. Until next time, eat smart, stay healthy, and take care of the organ that's been taking care of you every single day. Thanks for watching.